Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Here's the water fountain in my back. See, this is the man-made lake. The sun is there. In my back. Water fountain. Oh, the duck is there. They're swimming together. There. There. The duck is swimming together. They're swimming together. Uh, in the other side, there's so many birds. When I go there a while ago, they're coming with me. They're thinking that I'm gonna give them food. That the duck is there. They're swimming together. See the bird. Oh, see. Oh, there. Oh, the bird is coming here. The bird is coming near me. Hello, birdie. Hello, birdie. Oh, see the birdie.